Today I will be unboxing the speakers that I purchased from Parts Express. I will be doing DIY bookshelf speakers. Okay, open this one. So it's well packed. Bubble. Oops. Okay, first I will take this out. So I purchased some acoustic stuff. So it's like a cotton for filling the speaker enclosure. Then for the speaker, so 4-inch aluminum cone woofer. So this is a DA115-8, so 8 ohms. Then I purchased two because I will be doing two bookshelf speakers. So same DA115. Then for the tweeter, so a DC25T-8. So titanium dome tweeter. Then another one here. Then I also purchased a binding post. Looks really nice. So of course it should be two as well. Then some port. Okay, another one here. Then I purchased some electronic components for crossover. So this is the inductor coil and some capacitors. Also another inductor. Then resistor. Okay. Then purchase some screws as well. So this is like a Allen. Okay, 100 pieces. Okay, that's it. Then I will show you this inside. This one. Okay, here it is. See here the 8 ohms model DA115-8, made in Taiwan. Okay. Protection inside. Then show you the one tweeter. Okay, so it shows here DC25T-8. So this one is made in China. Okay, looks good. Okay, that's it. So I will be doing the enclosure for this one and show you. Okay, again, thank you for watching.